Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can put stop loss in Trade Tiger or Trade Broker. So let's go and do that. Now I am here in the Apple and I will go from here. So I will select Nvidia for example and go here to the buy option. Click on that and we have here this new window. So under the type section, click on this square right here and you will see here limit order, market order, stop loss order, stop limit order. Now click on stop loss order like so, and here we have buy it will buy at this price that we will set up. So as you can see, stop price we can now set 10%. For example, quantity I can give 5 like so, and this is basically how to put stop loss in the trade. Also the same is when you're selling, you can also put stop loss. Here stop price you will set up, as you can see, triggers the market order, so you just set stop loss here and it will be triggered when this Nvidia hits this target price. So this is basically how you can uh, put stop loss in your trade or your buying option. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.